Hey everybody, Sweet Willy here. Hope everybody's well. Yeah, we had a bit of a hiatus. I had some wrist surgery, so now I'm back in the kitchen and doing my thing. So now that the cast is off and we can have some function in the hand, we figured we'd get back to it. So, real quick update. We've got an announcement. The official knife of Sweet Willy's Kitchen is going to be Hoshino. Okay, you've seen these knives I've done with the Japanese style handles and the like. So we've got the next few videos are going to be Hoshino knives, and I'm really pleased to share these with you. The one we're going to do today is a 10-inch sushi knife. You heard it, a sushi knife. It's a very, I guess the best way to put it, it's very functional, very, versatile knife. It's a 10-inch knife. Some companies will call them a slicer. I just call this a great all-purpose knife. And it's interesting, I've gotten very used to using these octagon Japanese style handles, and actually I'm liking this now as my skills of my hands get back to normal. I'm finding this a little more ergonomically pleasing. But here's the knife here. This is the HO series. Okay, so it has a core of the VG10 Super Steel, and then each side has 3 more layers of a composite steel, and it goes down to a 15-degree angle on both sides for the sharpness, hammered finish, rosewood handle, and I just love the weight of these. Okay, the HO series just has a nice heavy feel for me that I like, and I hope you will too. It's got a hammered appearance to it, so if you're looking for something maybe that has a, I don't know, maybe an industrial look to it, something that you might want to think about. So let me wash this off. I've got a couple things I just want to, this demonstration for this, and we'll run it through its paces. We'll be right back. Here we go. So we're back again. 10-inch blade, 5-inch handle, rosewood, feels really good in the hands. So we're gonna have a couple things here. Here in New Jersey, we have a product called pork roll or Taylor ham, and you can buy it pre-sliced or you can buy it in a full piece. I tend to buy it in the full piece and slice it so I could dictate how thick I want each slices. Sometimes I want a thicker slice, sometimes I won't. This is wrapped in a burlap sack almost when it's smoked, so it adds for a nice feel. So with this, you're just coming through and one through. Ooh, there it goes. All right, and down. Very little effort for that. Okay, but the real reason that I wanted to show you this knife is today is Sunday that we're doing this filming, and we are making chicken parmesan, so we're making chicken cutlets. And when you go to the poultry section, you could get the pre-sliced cutlets, or you can get the boneless breast, and you can make the cutlets yourself. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to do that. So this will take a nice edge. It goes pretty thin. So we'll go a little deeper here. And this will take some time to do, and then you just drag the knife through. There we go. Nice thin cutlets. And through. So what we'll do is we'll put these in a bit of an egg wash, and then we'll put some breadcrumbs on them. Cook them like so. And this one we'll trim off the edge here. So these will make nice cutlets. A sharp edge, a durable edge, and again, the safest knife is a sharp knife. So that's my quick unboxing and demo of this. The 10-inch Hoshino HO series sushi knife. I use it as a slicer. If I'm slicing a roast, making cutlets, slicing Taylor ham, this is the knife I'd be using. 5-inch rosewood handle, 10-inch blade, VG10 core, 3 layers on either side, so we have a total of 7 layers, hammered finished, and to an edge. So again, we've got a series of Hoshino knives we're going to be showing you down in the next few videos. We'll be sharing you with those and all that good stuff. I'll have the link below. Please subscribe, please comment. I need some ideas for some recipes moving forward, so that would be a big help. So once again, I want to thank you all for watching, and you have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.